Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're going to talk about it's an article that has a very interesting title, right? So the title is life insurance a good investment for you, right? So it's tricky because the word investment, right? Um, I think we can all agree that life insurance in general is good for everyone, right? So just like all insurance, it's just always good to have that support or even that backup plan just in case things don't go as planned, right? The same goes for life insurance. This article in particular, you've got to hone in on investment, right? So that's kind of strictly in the financial sense. There are pockets where there may be other investment tools that provide kind of a higher return on your cash than life insurance, right? So if we jump into it, we know, or we probably know, that life insurance is bifurcated into mainly two products, right? You've got your term, you've got your whole, which is also called permanent life insurance. With term, you basically are provided a benefit for a distinct amount of time, right? So, God forbid you pass away. If you pass away in that agreed to amount of time, 10 years, 20 years, what have you, your beneficiaries receive a benefit, right? They receive a payout. Now, if you pass away outside of that time period, your beneficiaries receive nothing. The other drawback is that there's no cash component to term life insurance. There's no savings component. It's not as if the value of that product increases in terms of cash value. So that makes that product very limited. Conversely, if you look at whole life insurance, you are provided that same benefit, that payout benefit. Your beneficiaries, quite frankly, are provided that same benefit for your entire life, right? So whenever you pass away, you have the peace of mind of knowing those who are dependent on you, or just your beneficiaries in general, whether they're dependent on you or not, will receive a payout, right? But furthermore, whole life insurance has a cash component, right? It has a savings component that accumulates value. And in fact, you can borrow against it tax-free dollars whenever you want, right? So this cash component makes it far more flexible than a term life insurance policy, right? There's way more you can do with it. And because of this, it's kind of an attractive option for a lot of people, in particular those that may have high net worth, right? Those that may have maxed out their retirement, investments into their retirement tools, right? So like your 401ks, your IRAs, then you can start to invest into a whole life insurance policy. Those that may have dependents that are disabled, right, that really, really rely on them. You may not be able to gamble with a term life insurance policy. So you may need that peace of mind of just knowing that that dependent or those dependents will receive a payoff no matter when you may pass away. And all of this takes into account that these policies are in force, right? So it assumes that you're paying the premiums on time and everything is up to date. So hopefully that was helpful. Once again, the trick here is for is life insurance a good investment? A good investment for you? In general, any type of life insurance is great, but if you really hone in on the financial aspect of it, I would have to say, we would have to say that whole life insurance from a financial investment standpoint gives you more flexibility. Thank you for stopping by. We'll chat next week.